Hi, I'm Cassie Churchill with BraunAbility. Today, I'm going to show you our best-in-class BraunAbility Chrysler converted vehicles, where innovation meets accessibility. When it comes to wheelchair-accessible vans, no one offers more space to enter, exit, and maneuver. And no other mobility manufacturer offers options that the Chrysler minivan has with BraunAbility. Whether you're looking for a side entry, rear entry, power in-floor, or fold-out, we have the options that best fits you, your budget, and your lifestyle. Behind me is our most popular option, the BraunAbility Chrysler XT conversion, which offers an extra tall door opening, making it the ideal height for individuals who sit tall in their wheelchair or scooter. For these customers, the fold-out XT delivers the best overall riding experience and clear visibility over the dash, while maintaining that best-in-class, extra-wide ramp and door opening. You'd expect nothing less from the most trusted brand in mobility. Experience the Chrysler wheelchair accessible vehicle, where spacious interior, wide ramps, and custom options offer you limitless accessibility. For more information about this or any of our wheelchair accessible products, visit us at BraunAbility.com or your local dealer to try one today.